Good afternoon to all. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. మరి ఇప్పుడు మనం మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో నెంబర్ సిస్టమ్ యొక్క బేసిక్స్ కొంత నేర్చుకున్నాం ఇదివరకు. సో రిమైనింగ్ బేసిక్స్ని ఇవాళ చూద్దాం. సో ఎక్కువ మంది లైవ్లోకి వచ్చి లైవ్ క్లాస్ చూస్తే బాగుంటుంది. సో అందరికీ యూస్ఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది. అందుకని లైవ్ క్లాస్కి అందరండి. సో టుడే ఓకే మన నెంబర్ సిస్టంలో we have seen the integers, natural numbers చూసాం. some properties of natural numbers చూద్దాం. properties చూద్దాం. suppose 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. 6 to 10 15. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 10 is equal to how much? Is given 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus given. ఇప్పుడు మనం దాన్ని హౌ టు సాల్వ్ ఇట్. సో అలా 10 వరకు యాడ్ చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on up to 50 is given. Then what is its answer? దీని ఆన్సర్ ఏంటి? So for this we have to think of something. So that is the formula for sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers. Okay, I will write here. Sum of first n natural numbers is the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. n into n plus 1 by 2. That is the formula. By using this formula, we can easily find the values of these series. Suppose 1 plus 2 plus 3. That is దీని ప్రకారం here n is equal to 3. Here only 3 numbers are there up to 3. So 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2. Okay, that is equal to 3 into 4 by 2. 2 into 2 times 2 3 is 6. Understand? Next one, if you go for this one, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, 15. So here n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First 5 natural numbers. So 5 into 5 plus 1. n plus 1 by 2 is formula n into n plus 1 by 2. So 5 into 6 by 2, 3 times 15. Okay, this is correct. So we can do very easily by using this formula the sum of the first n natural numbers. We will go for another example. Okay, here this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, so on. I gave the 50. Now here n is equal to 50. Formula n into n plus 1 by 2, where n is the natural number. So 50 into 51 by 2, this is 25 times. So 51 into 25, 5, 25, 2, 10, 5, 7, 2, 1. So 1275 is the answer. Okay. Understand? So next I will go for another. So for the first natural number, n is the, if n is the natural number, up to which we have to find the sum. So its value becomes n into n plus 1 by 2. Now sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. Okay, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the formula. Then you can write a sigma n square, where n is the natural number, sigma n square. Okay, so n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. That is the formula. Now we will go for next. For example, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square is given. What is the sum? 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16. This is 10, 20. That is equal to 30. Okay now? Now we go for this one. Formula. N is here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 5 into 8 plus 1, 9 by 6. N is equal to 4. N plus 1, 5 over the 2n. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So now 3 table 2 times, 3 table 3 times. This here 2 times. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. This is the answer. Next one. Okay. You should remember the formula. So sigma n square, sum of the first squares of the first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 is the formula for the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. It is also represented as sigma n square, that is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Now 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 20 square. What is its value given? So formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Here n is equal to 20. Last number is the n, so n is equal to 20. So 20, 21, 22s are 40 plus 1, 41 by 6. Oh God. 3 table 7 times 2 times 2 table 10 times. So 7 28 0. So 2870 చూడండి ఈజీగా చేయడానికి 7 1 జార్ 7 7 4 జార్ 20. సో 10 కాబట్టి 10 క్యాల్కులేషన్లో కూడా ఈజీగా చూసుకోవాలి. Read out, observe. Go for another one. Okay. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 50 square is equal to how much? So already we know 50. N is equal to 50. Okay, here n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So 50 into 51 into 2 into 50 2n కాబట్టి 100 plus 1 101 by 6. Now easiest థింక్ చేయండి. సింప్లిఫై చేస్తారా మీరు? చేసుకోండి. 3 2 times 1 time 7 times this 25 times. So multiply all these 3, you get the answer. Okay, 25 into 17 into 100. That is the answer of this. Do it yourself. Do yours. Next one. Next one is sum of the cubes. Sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers. N square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Sigma n what we say. Or you can say n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. Next one. Okay, na? Alright. Do 1 or 2 problems on this one. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 20 cube. How much? That is equal to here. N is equal to 2. Formula n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 or n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. That is the formula for finding the first sum of the cubes of the first and natural numbers. So n is 20 into 21 by 2 whole square. That is equal to 10 times 10 square 100, 21 square. So 21 1 squares రావాలి 2 2 4 441. Okay. That is equal to 44100. This is the answer. Understand? Okay. Suppose 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube x cube is equal to how much? Here n is equal to x. So formula x into x plus 1 by 2 whole square. This is the answer. And n బదులు x ఇచ్చారు. Now we go for another one. Sum of the squares of the first n odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers అనగానే you have to know what is the nth term of the odd natural numbers తెలియాలి. Odd numbers రావాలంటే we must have a remainder of 1. If you divide with 2, so now we see the formula. Sum of the sum of squares of first odd natural numbers. Okay, that is equal formula n into 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1 by. So అక్కడ చూడండి, అక్కడ n into 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1 అంటే a square minus b square formula ఉంది. How many terms are there? 3 terms are there. So n into 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 3. మరి అలా మర్చిపోతాము, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. అంటే 1 square 3 square 5 square 7 square. సో లాస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఎంత వస్తుంది? దట్ ఈస్ 2n minus 1 whole square. 2n minus, the last number is the 2n minus 1. చూడండి, n సపోజ్ ఇది కరెక్టే కాదా టెస్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి మనం. సపోజ్ n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 పెట్టాను ఇక్కడ. 2 into 1 minus 1 whole square. 2 1s are 2. 2 నుంచి 1 తీస్తే 1 square. సపోజ్ n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2 అంటే సెకండ్ నెంబర్ ఏంటి తెలిపాను. 2 into 2 minus 1 whole square. 4 minus 1 అంటే 3 square. The second term is 3 square. This is the nth term in this series. 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus 7 square plus 9 square plus 11 square plus 13 square plus so on. The nth number is also, this is the odd series. So nth number, odd number is 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1 whole square. If n is equal to 1, first term కావాలి, ఫస్ట్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 2 minus 1 1. సో ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ 1 అన్నమాట. సపోజ్ సెకండ్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ కావాలనుకో మనకి 2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 3 అన్నమాట. నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ కావాల్స్తే 3 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 1 5 అన్నమాట. So that's why we are getting this series. So the last number is 2n minus 1. So గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవడానికి 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. n is n. So n into ఎప్పుడు n ఉంటాయి ఫస్ట్ ఫామ్లో చూడండి. n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of the first n natural numbers. Sum of the squares. Squares రాగానే 3 terms వస్తుంది. n into n ఎప్పుడు కామన్ ఉంది, n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6 వచ్చు. నౌ క్యూబ్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు n into అంటే n స్క్వేర్ అనమాట. n into n plus 1 into n plus 1 4 టర్మ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. బై 4 వచ్చింది. ఇది చూసారా? సో దాని ప్రకారం ఇక్కడ గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే n ఇంటూ 2n-1 ఇంటూ 2n+1/3. ఓకే, నౌ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ third square odd numbers. Okay, so here the n is 13, so 13 into formula. What is the formula? n into 2n-1 into 2n+1/3 is the formula. That is equal to right now. So 13 into 13 2s are 26 minus 1 25, 26 plus 1 27 by 3 9s. Okay, 39 కాదు 3 9 ఇక్కడ. సో మల్టిప్లై చేసాం 25 9s 25 8s అయితే 225 అంతేనా? 225 ఇంటూ 1 3 5 15 1 3 7 2 6 1 5 1 2 ఎంత మాస్టర్ ఫాస్ట్గా చేస్తారు. మేము ఫిజిక్స్ వాళ్ళం కదా, అందులో నాకు క్యాల్కులేషన్స్ ఇరా. 292 understand, observe. Another form. Next one, sum of the squares of first n even natural numbers. Odd natural numbers అయిపోయింది. Squares of ఈవెన్ అంటే మీకు రీజనింగ్లో సిరీస్లు సమ్స్ అవి ఇస్తే ఇది కొద్దిగా బాగా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది, అందుకని నేను చెప్తాను. 2n into 2n into n+1 into 2n+1 3 1 2 3. ఆడికి ఎప్పుడు ఎన్ని నెంబర్, ఈవెన్కి ఎప్పుడు ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి? 2n into n+1 into 2n+1/3. The sum of the squares of the first even natural numbers in the odd natural numbers. ఇందులో సిరీస్లో 2 square 4 square 6 square లాస్ట్ నెంబర్ 2 4 6 అంటే 2n హోల్ స్క్వేర్. n ఈజ్ కూడా 1 వేసాం, ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ వస్తుంది. n2 వేస్తే సెకండ్ టర్మ్ రెండవ పదం. 3 వేస్తే థర్డ్ టర్మ్ వస్తుంది. అంతేగా నాట్ సమ్. ఇప్పుడు ఈ అన్నిటి యొక్క సమ్ ఎంత అంటే సమ్. సపోజ్ ఈ 3 తీసుకున్నాం అనుకో మనం, 2 square 4 4 square 16 36, సో 220 56 వచ్చింది. మా రూల్ ప్రకారం చూద్దాం. రూల్ ప్రకారం 3 టైమ్స్ 3 2 3s are 6 4 3 plus 1 4 మళ్ళీ 6 plus 1 7/3. ఇందులో 2 టైమ్స్ పోయింది. ఓకే, 2 4s are 8 8 7s 56. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ వన్, సపోజ్ 2 square 4 square 6 square 22 square సో n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 22 మాట, అంతే కదా మాట. సో 2n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 3, that is equal to 44 into 23 into 45 by 3, అంతే కదా. 22 44, 22 plus 1 23, 44 plus 1 45 by 3. క్యాన్సిలేషన్ చేసేయండి, ఇందులో 15 టైమ్స్ పోయింది. సో 44 into 23 into 15 మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుందో ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఈజీ ట్రిక్స్ అయి చెప్తాను, అప్పుడు మనం ఇలాంటి ఖర్చు చేద్దాం, ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ గోపాల్, అందుకని చిన్న వాడు కూడా చిన్న వేస్తాడు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, అలాగే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది క్యూబ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్, సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది స్పేస్ అయిపోయింది, సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది క్యూబ్స్ ఫస్ట్ ఆడ్ న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్. సో వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్ క్యూబ్స్ కాబట్టి n square into 2m square minus 1. క్యూబ్స్లో ఎప్పుడు ఇందాక కూడా n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4, అంటే n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square వచ్చింది, స్క్వేర్స్ వస్తుంది. నేను లాస్ట్ టైం బట్టి వస్తుంది, ఓకే. అంటే 1 క్యూబ్, నెక్స్ట్ 3 క్యూబ్, అంతే కదా, 5 క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ లాస్ట్ది టర్మ్ ఎలా వస్తుంది 2n minus 1, అంటే ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఆల్రెడీ వస్తుంది ఓల్డ్, దిస్ ఇస్. సో దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు n square into 2n square minus 1, ఇంకేం లేదు, పై ఏం లేదు, ఓకే. నౌ see the example. 1 cube 1, 3 cube 27, 5 cube 25, 5 is 125. Okay, 125, 20, 3, 5, 1, 1, 5, correct ana? 125, 3, now check it out. So last term is 5, and 5 square, 5 and 5 square into 50, 2n square minus 1, 50 minus 1 and 49, 5 square and 20, 25 into 50 minus 1, so 49, 49 into 20, so n square into 2n square minus 1, okay, so 3, someone 3 square, 9 minus 1, 7, okay, we will observe it. We will see this again. So up to that we will see first unnatural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2, squares of the natural numbers, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, cubes, n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, n into 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 3. So we have seen all these things. power series we have. Now, what is a prime number? What are the conditions of prime number? So, the natural number greater than unity and has only two factors, the number itself and unity, is called a prime number. Already you know. It must have factors 1 and itself. It should not and must not have no other factor for that number. Then that number is called a prime number. So, and we have seen here. So first, 1 is not a prime number or another number is composite number. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So least prime number is 2. Next prime number is 3. Next is 5. Next is 7. Next is 11. Odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 9 is odd number. 9 is not prime number. 2 is the prime number. 2 is not prime odd number. It is even number. So even prime is only 1. That is 2. The only one even prime number is 2. All the other prime numbers are odd numbers. You see 3, 5, 7. So 2 has only factors 1 and 2. 3 has only factors 1 and 3. 5 has only factors 1 and 5. 7 is also having factors 1 and 7. Suppose if you take the case of 4, it is having factors 1, 2, 4. And if you divide 4 with 1, we get a remainder 0. We divide 4 with 2, we get a remainder 0. We divide 4 with 4, we get a remainder 0. If the remainder is 0, then that number is factor of the given number.
When?
Suppose if you take case of 9, if you divide 9 with 1, you get a remainder 0. If you divide 9 with 3, you get a remainder 0. If you divide a 9 with 9, you get a remainder 0. So that's why 1, 3, 9 are the factors of 9. So since in 4 and 9, other than 1 and itself, 2 is a factor of the number 4. So that's why 4 is not a prime number. This is a composite number. If you take the case of 9, here it is having factors 1 and 9 and also 3. So 3, since 3 divides 9, so 9 is not a prime number. It is also a composite number. So depending upon the number of factors for that number, so we can say whether it is a prime or a composite number. Okay, understand? Right. This is about the prime numbers. Next one. So, two consecutive numbers. Next one is relative prime numbers. Relative primes are co-primes. Relative primes. Are co-prime numbers. What is a relative prime or a co-prime numbers? If we take two numbers and find the factors for those numbers, and if those two numbers factors are not having a common factor to it, then we say those are called relative primes to each other. And if you take two numbers, for example, we are taking the two numbers 15 and 16. 15 and 16. Okay. Then the factors of 15 are 1, and if we divide with 1, we are getting a 0. Next with 3, 0. Next with 5, getting 0. Next with 15, getting 0. So 1, 3, 5 and 15 are the factors of 15.
16.
Now if you observe 16, it is 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So factors are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So factors of 15. Right. Factors of 15. 1, 3, 5, 15. Factors of 16. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Now observe these two. Is the two numbers have any common factor other than 1? So here 1, 1, 3. Ante we have to find the intersection. 15 intersection 16. Common number. So there is no, only 1 is the common number for the factors of 15 and 16. So that's why 15 and 16 are co-primes. 15 and 16 are co-primes, are relative prime numbers. Understand? Relative prime numbers are co-primes. So the properties of co-primes is that the consecutive numbers are always co-primes. Two consecutive numbers is always co-primes. Suppose we are taking 9 and 10. We are taking the numbers 9 and 10. These two are consecutive numbers, and we are getting 10 after 9. So factors of 9 already 1, 3, 9. Factors of 10 1, 2, 5, 10. Observe 1 and 1 are common factors. So the remaining are 2, 3, 5. There is no common factor to each other. Understand? So 9 and 10 are co-primes, and if you take any two consecutive numbers, they must be co-primes to each other. Okay now? Next. And two prime numbers are always co-primes to each other. Not only consecutive numbers. If you take any two prime numbers, so two prime numbers are always co-primes. If you take two prime numbers, 7 and 13, two prime numbers, or 5, 7, one set. Suppose factors of 5, 1 and 5, factors of 7, 1 and 7. So only 1 is the common for both. The 7 factors already 1, 7, 13 factors 1, 13. So common is only 1. That's why 5, 7 are, and two prime numbers always co-primes. Two consecutive numbers are always co-primes. And the third one is the square of the two co-primes always, the square of the two co-prime numbers are always co-primes to each other. Co-primes to each other. The square of the two co-primes are always co-primes. Suppose simple ga 5 and 7. 5 square, 7 square. 5 square is 25, 7 square is 49. Factors of 25. 1, 5, 25. Factors of 49. 1, 7, 49. ఇంతే కదా, ఇంకేమన్నా 23. So here 1 and 1 are the common factors. Here 5, 25, 7, 49. So 5 and 7 are the squares of the 7. Sweetie, come on.
5, 7,
co-primes.
8.
Come on. So, sweetie. So on. So Adi, these are the sum of the properties of primes, prime numbers. Next one, perfect number. What is a perfect number? Very important. All these are very fundamental, useful for series lo వచ్చినప్పుడు మీకు perfect number. What is a perfect number? If you take a number and find the factors of that number and you add all the factors, if you get the same number, then we say that is a perfect number. And if you take the number, find the factors of that number, all the factors, and add all the factors, you must get the number, then we say that is a perfect number. Suppose if you take example of 6. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 6. Now here sum of these three, sum of the factors, except that number 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So 6 is a perfect number. Okay, perfect number. Suppose take 25. Here, if you add all these three factors except that number, first I told you. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. Now go for that. 6 is a perfect number. 25 told. What is 25? Factors of 25. 1, 5, 25. Is it true or not? 25 factors. 1 is there and 5 and 20. So sum except 25, sum 1 plus 5, that is equal to 6. So 25 is not a perfect number. 25 is not a perfect number. Suppose if you take an example of 28, if you take 28. So some other examples of perfect numbers are 28, 496 and 8128 are some of the examples of perfect. 28 factors. 1 is 2, 7, 4, 7, 14 and 28. So except 28, add all the numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14. So, okay, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 7, 14 plus 14, we are getting an answer of 28. So that's why 28 is a perfect number. This is perfect number. So next one. Number of digits. Number of digits. Number of single digit numbers. How many? Number of single digit numbers. How many? Single digit. Single digit numbers. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Number of single digit numbers. Suppose number of two digit numbers. Two-digit numbers. So 10 square. Understand? Minus 1. 10 square minus 1. Okay. 100 minus 1. So 10 square minus not 1. 10 square minus 10. Two-digit natural numbers. Okay. All are natural numbers. So 10 minus 9.
28 plus 9 is
90, 100. The last number is 100. So that's why up to 99 we are getting 99. So 10, 99 minus 9. We are getting 9. Okay. Totally 100. Single digit number is what? Double digit numbers. And actually here 9 is the last number. 1. So that's why 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Two digit number starting from 10 and n to 99. Okay. So totally right. So 90 numbers we are getting. How? 90, 100 minus 99 minus 10, 89, 89 plus 1, 9. I don't do that. So these are the sum of the principles. Now we go for divisibility loss. After this one, we will go for divisibility loss. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you for watching this much time. So 50 minutes over. Next, we will start another thing. Next time. Raja. ఏంటి అలరి